I'm gonna take the video right now. Isn't that cute? He's going nuts. Trying to get at that food. That's a cute little thing, isn't it? 15 seconds of squirrel. Look at him. Now he's up on top. Going for that food.
That's the bird's food.
Is it? Is that bird food?
It's presents for you.
It's so realistic.
Hello, I started this morning, but you didn't.
You were sleeping, right? Do you like it?
Hey, that's bird food. Would you tell that squirrel that's bird food? Knock on the window and tell him. He's upside down. He's going nuts. Nope, he doesn't care. He's just gonna keep going for that bird food.
How about that?